Okay, this is the first time na nakitaan po natin yung Chinese Coast Guard na nagdala ng mga bolo, ng mga sibat, ng mga kutsilyo. On the other hand, yung tropa po natin, wala tayong dala ng mga ganun. And we mentioned that yung mga baril na dala natin were disassembled and naka-gun case siya. Naka-gun case. Because we were transporting this to LS-57. So wala tayong armas na dala. No? Na bladed weapons or whatever. Pero yung Chinese, yun po yung ginamit nila na pangsira, pangbutas dun sa mga rig natin, sa mga rubber boats natin. No? Kitang-kita po, meron po kaming mga videos na hawak. And we saw in the video how the Chinese even threatened our personnel by pointing their knives at our personnel. Despite this, lumaban po yung ating mga sundalo. Lumaban po with their bare hands. With their bare hands. Makikita niyo po, tinutulak nila yung rig ng kalaban, ng Chinese Coast Guard palabas, palayo. They were preventing the Chinese Coast Guard from hitting them with their bolos, their machete, and other bladed weapons. Kaya ako po ay hangang-hanga sa ating mga sundalo. Despite the absence of weapons or certain items to defend themselves, ay lumaban pa rin po sila. Gusto ko pong tanggalin yung impression na yung mga sundalo po natin ay hinayaan nila yung mga Chinese Coast Guard na kunin lamang yung ating mga kagamitan, sirahin yung ating mga boats. Hindi po natin hinayaan sila. Lumaban po tayo. But then again, may mga limitations po tayo. Because, number one, we were outnumbered. Yung dalawang rig natin, ang katapat niya, 8 na rigs na Chinese Coast Guard. Hindi lang po rigs, may mga steel hull na mga boats pa rin sila na binabangga dun sa ating mga rigs. So, talaga pong hangang-hanga ako sa sundalong Pilipino, sa ating mandirigma, mandaragat, pati na rin po yung ating mga Coast Guard because of the restraint that they practice. Dahil napakalapit po noon yung pinangyarihan nito dun sa LS-57. And as you all know, LS-57 is also armed. May mga armas po tayo, but we did not use those. We did not use those because our objective is that while we want to bring supplies to our troops following international laws, our objective is also to prevent war. Ayaw po natin na magkaroon ng kena. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your questions.
Our rigs, yung rigid hull inflatable boats. Yung isang rig natin ay inipit nila. Marami po kasi silang mga dineploy na mga rigs nila. So, yung isang rig natin, inipit nila. And then, sa kanila before. But of course, yung tropa natin, prevented, tried to prevent them. So, may mga nakuhang mga baril, may mga nakuhang mga iba pang equipment, sinira yung ating mga equipment on board, pati yung motor natin. At tinusok rin pinutas yung ating rigid hull inflatable boats. So our action now is that we are demanding that the Chinese return our rifles and our equipment. And we are also demanding from them to pay for the damages that they have caused. Babayaran nila po yun. Dahil hindi po tayo papayag na gano'n lang sisirahin nila yung ating mga kagamitan at kunin lang nila. For me, this is piracy already. Piracy. Because they boarded our boats illegally They got our equipment. No? Again, no? Parang mga pirata na po sila dun sa mga ginawa nilang actions nila.